In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an expense report in Expensify. We'll walk through building a clean, compliant expense that's attached to the right report so it's easy for your team to review and reimburse. Start on the home screen. From here, open the Reports section on the left to orient yourself to where reports are managed. Now switch over to the Expenses view. Think of expenses as the individual line items that will roll up into a report. That's exactly what we're going to create. Click Create, then choose Create Expense. You'll land on a screen that offers Scan, which is perfect if you have a receipt image or PDF. You can upload files from your computer or simply drag and drop them into the window. Expensify's Smart Scan will read the amount, date, and merchant for you. For this walkthrough, we'll take the manual route so you can see every field. Select Manual. First, type in the amount, enter the total exactly as it appears on the receipt. Next, choose the currency. Make sure this matches the receipt or the currency in which the charge occurred, especially if you travel or use international vendors. When that looks right, click Next. Add a clear, helpful description. A good description explains the purpose, like client lunch or taxi to conference venue, so approvers understand the context at a glance. Click Save to confirm. Now add the merchant. This should be the vendor or business name on the receipt. Accurate merchant names help with reporting and policy checks. Click Save again. Choose the appropriate category based on your company's chart of accounts, such as meals, travel, or software. This ensures the expense hits the right budget bucket. If the cost should be paid back to you, toggle Reimbursable on. If it was paid with a company card and shouldn't be reimbursed, leave it off. When in doubt, follow your team's policy. Next, click Report. Select the expense report this item belongs to so everything is grouped correctly for submission and approval. Attaching expenses to the right report keeps month-end tidy and speeds up reimbursements. To wrap up, click Create Expense. That's it. Your expense is now created, categorized, and linked to the correct report. Take a moment to verify the amount, currency, description, merchant, and category look accurate. A quick review now prevents back and forth later. You've just learned how to create an expense and place it on the right report in Expensify. Follow the same flow for your remaining receipts, and you'll keep your reports consistent, auditable, and ready for approval.